What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. What's up? How you doing? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I'm not going to hold you long. I promise. I always say that, but this time I'm not going to hold you long. I was not going to make a video today, but I said to myself, you know what? Some safety issues popped in my mind right here in my gardening, and I said, you know what? Let me share this with whoever's watching. Okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. You're the best. Click like and subscribe down below. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay. I love you. Thanks for being here. Okay, you guys, let's just jump right into it. All right. When you're out in your garden this year, it's getting really hot out here, y'all. And I was working in my garden the other day, and I got to sweating. And I said to myself, okay, I'm going to stop. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to take me a drink of water and just chill out for a little while. You guys, this heat is not a joke. It's starting to get warm here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. We're in June, and it's getting hot real fast. And I know some other people are saying it's getting even hotter where they're from. Okay? So, you guys, first of all, keep yourself hydrated. Keep your bottle of water in your little garden pocket. I don't have a garden pocket. Okay, I use my regular pocket. Anyway, I ain't got no money for no garden pocket. Ain't got no money. So make sure you have plenty of water. Keep yourself hydrated. If you can avoid it, which we all can't, because working in the garden alone is what we do. A lot of us, we don't need any help. But if you can have somebody there with you to help you out in the garden, please have somebody there, especially if you have a huge garden. We don't want you lost all the way back there and have them passed out from heat exhaustion, because the heat is not a joke, you guys. So if you can avoid going far away from your home or your neighbors or wherever you may be where no one can see you, please try to avoid it, or wear something or put something in the ground wherever you go to let people know, hey, I'm over here. Okay, because a lot of vegetables can grow up very high, and if you fall over in them, ain't nobody gonna see you. Ain't nobody gonna see you, and we don't want that. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. Also, be aware of your surroundings. I'm quick. I won't lie to you. I'm quick to come outside at night. I'm quick to not to have the porch light on, just digging through the garden. I am so guilty of doing that, you guys. Mother Nature is coming out more and more. The weather is warming up. A lot of things aren't afraid. A lot of things aren't cold anymore. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. There's a lot of different things out here that can harm you. Snakes, spiders, some certain other bugs that can really harm you that you don't want to come in contact with because you can't see them. Okay, so try not to go out at night without a light, or unless it's really necessary. I know we like to look at our gardens at night, but hey, sometimes we have to be vigilant. And I just want you guys to be able to keep watching and just stay safe wherever you are. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. So, be mindful of your surroundings. Be mindful. Okay, also, when ordering your plants, I keep telling people, order what you think you're going to use and what you're going to grow and what you're going to eat. I've not kept my own word, you guys. Okay. I sure did. I tried to, ooh, look at that. I want a pack of those. Ooh, look at that. I want a pack of those. Do your research. And I'm going to show you a plant. The reason I say this, I ordered this plant. It's called the orange Naranjilla from Baker Creek. Well, here's some here too. And I tried these one time before with no success. So this time around, they're coming out pretty good. They look very nice, right? Very beautiful. And then this one here, planted on February 23rd. Hope you guys can see that. Now look at this one. Now let me show you something. And this goes for parents or anyone gardening with children, because I would have made this mistake, but it was for if it wasn't for a gentleman who made a video on the orange Naranjilla. I could not find videos on it once it got big. He said, be careful. It's lethal, almost. You do not want to mishandle this plant. This is an orange Naranjilla, and it makes oranges that look like regular oranges in the store. But I think they're on a smaller scale. But the way God made this plant, hallelujah, thank you, God, for making exotic plants. We thank you. I ain't mad at it. This is how it's supposed to be. If you look closely, this thing is full of thorns all the way down the leaf. The leaf. On top and under is nothing but sharp thorns. I'm trying to get it, you guys. Thorns. Lord, remove these thorns. Thorns. But yeah, you guys, you would order this for a kid, let the kid have it in its windowsill or whatever. That child goes to grab this plant, you're going to have these little prickly things that are made to do what they're supposed to do, which is protect itself. And you'd be in the emergency room probably trying to get these things out of your child's hand that you don't even know what it is. Okay, we don't want that, because ain't nobody got no money to go to the emergency room. Ain't nobody got no money, especially fooling with no daggone lethal plant. And the plant is only doing what it's supposed to do. Okay. So yeah, you guys, just stay safe, be vigilant, be mindful of your surroundings, drink lots of water. If you can stay around people, stay around people. If you can avoid ordering plants you don't know anything about, be careful, because some plants come very thorny and you never know till they're already out. So I love you guys. Just wanted to say hello. Hope you're being safe and blessed, you guys. I love you. I can't wait till we can all get with our families and friends and maybe even meet some of you guys. Okay. T-shirts coming soon. Still working on the design and tweaking and getting feedback. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it, and save your money, because things are going to change soon and we're going to travel.